And welcome to my channel Wheels on Fire. So this video is about XUV300 W6 variant accessories that I have fitted from the aftermarket and some from the genuine car accessories. So let's get started. Before that, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and comment. So let's get started. So the first accessories is about from the genuine car accessory. This is the fog lamps. This is from the genuine car accessories, and this is the front bumper guard. As you can see, that here is the front bumper guard which goes up to here, and here is the name written XUV 300 for XUV 300, and this is the full. And there is many types of this front bumper guard. It is like from the that the top model only this silver plates, or from the here this silver plate is also from the Amazon. You can buy it. All the link of this accessories will be in description, so you can check it from there also. So the second accessories is the window garnish. You can see that here is the window garnish. Here is the chrome window garnish, and here is the rain visors or the sun visor. Here are many types. It is only on black, and here is the, you can see that here is with chrome finish it is. So this is the rain visor, and you can see that in the mirror, or you can see that here is some type of film that I have fitted. This is the rain protection guard. This is the rain protection guard. When you will spray some water, you can see that this is the sticker that is for the rain protection for the water, and below here is the rain stain here, and when you it here is not remaining here, and same this is here also. You can see that. I will show you from the interior also. As here you can see that the mirror that has then sticker that is not remaining the water, and from that circle it is remaining the water. This are the very good accessories. So let's move to the third accessories. So the third accessories is, you can see here is the door edge guard protector. This is very important for your door, for protection from the scratch and from the pillar, or for protecting that. So moving towards the fourth accessory, it is that, so here is the rear bumper guard protection also. Here you can see that, and here written for XUV 300. It is of many types, so that you can see in that W8 optional. Here is only the silver plate. You can get it fitted also, or this is only the full rear guard, or this will not come in some case, or only this silver lining or silver finish will come. And here is some reflectors with lights, and 1 minute I will show you how it is working, how it will glow. Here you can see that it has been glow. It has been bright, you can see that, and when you will off it, it will not glow, and when the brake will when you break the brush, it will only glow it. And here is the LED tail lamps, and I will show you how when you off that headlamps, how it will be looking. So you can see that here is a dim light. So this is the accessory, that is, this is the camera. It is not from the car manufacturer, it is aftermarket. So this is in this original position, and the W8 optional, and so it is not here in that bumper. You have to cut it here, and it will issue some warranty. So I have fitted here the camera, you can see that, and it is not in this media information screen. It is in the different TFT screen, or the screen I will show you. So this was the exterior accessories, and from the rear seat you can see that. So here is the XUV 300 scuff plate. It is for the some silver and matte finish, and there are lots many types of scuff plate. It is from the lightning or only from written XUV 300 or only rubber type. This was so this is the scuff plate, and here the seat covers. So this is the seat cover from the aftermarket, not from the from the genuine car accessories. So this from genuine car accessory, this is only one type of seat cover will you get, that is of W8 optional, that uh, seat covers. But this aftermarket, there is many types of colors, stitches and some linings. So you can see that here is some finish, and here is some, it looks nice. This was the seat covers. So here is also the parcel tray. 1 minute, I will show you. So here is the parcel tray from the genuine car accessories. It is from the car accessories, also from genuine car accessories. So getting towards the front cabin, you can see that here you can see that here is the long, this is the real scuff plate, here is the aftermarket. So this is the aftermarket. It is only the silver and some chrome finish. So let's get in. Here is the seat cover that I have tell you. So getting it, so here is the front cabin. So here is the manual adjustable IRVM. This is the main, and for the IRVM, and this is the for the camera viewing, and with you can with the yellow lines guidelines. This was it. And here is the leather finish steering cover. Here the leather finish steering cover, and here is the, you can see that here is the air freshener. It is simple. You can buy it from the genuine car accessories from the Mahindra m2all.com. The link will be in the description, so check it out. And here is the charger also. Here 12-volt charging socket with this charger. So this was the accessories for the XUV 300. So if you like my video, please like it, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.